Hello again, Northeast Ohio. Welcome into 3 News at 5 on this Tuesday afternoon. Thanks so much for spending time with us.
Alongside Jay Crawford, I'm Laura Casio. Christy is off tonight. We are tracking severe and potentially dangerous weather for you tonight.
You're looking at a live picture now at a messy system moving across the state. Right now, the state on alert with increased risks of severe weather, especially in the southern counties of Northeast Ohio. The greatest risk comes as we move into the evening.
We want the viewers at home to be weather ready, and that's where we bring in Chief Meteorologist Betsy Kling. So, Bets, what should we know as we head into the evening at this point?
Right now, we are in wait-and-see mode. These ingredients are on the table. Now it's just a matter of how everything starts to come together and we bake it up and see what happens with the thunderstorms. We're in the window right now, so we've already achieved our peak heating for the day, and now we have the thunderstorms that are starting to move in. Meanwhile, there's a front that's to the west of us that is still to come. But heavy rain is going to be our primary threat. This is exactly what we highlighted yesterday. We're bringing it back today. Heavy rain is going to be a big problem. We are waterlogged in most of the area. Any rain that we get, especially torrential rain with thunderstorms, will mean rising water. Additionally, we still have a wind, hail, and possibly a tornado threat this evening. It does look like that has been dialed back somewhat. Everybody's good with that. But we just want to make sure that you still have ways to get warnings. And of course, our 3 News app is a great way to do that. And you can find more information on that, WKYC.com. Meanwhile, we're keeping you updated right here on 3 News. Flood watch continues for our southern counties right along the US 30 corridor and points south. We also have the flash flood warning. This means there is widespread standing water as well as water in rivers, streams, creeks, and ditches that is still on the rise. So that is where the problems really start to get down and dirty. We've got heavy rain that is still coming down in areas of southern Carroll County that is moving out, but there's more rain to come tonight because out to the west you can see we have another round of rain and thunder that is starting to move in. And this is really going to be kind of problematic for areas where we've already had some heavy rain earlier today. The last 24 hours, we've had significant amounts of rain. And so you have heavy rain right now moving into Shelby, Ontario, Mansfield, right up through the Norwalk and Milan areas, even moving over toward Vermilion and parts of Amherst at this hour. I mentioned the rain in the last 24 hours. More than 3 inches of rain has fallen in Richland County, 2+ inches in our southern counties, and that's why we have that flooding threat that continues. All of the storms are feeding off of heat and humidity. Where there is better heat, that is where we will have bigger storms. Meanwhile, farther north, we're just going to have rain. Tons of humidity continuing farther to the south, too. So the process of destabilization is still taking place, and we are still on the outlook for the possibility of severe weather. Nothing is guaranteed in this. Like I said, we're baking the cake, right? We've got the ingredients. We've got them starting to mix together. We're just not quite sure if that cake is going to bake up the right way. Back to you.
All right. I'm sure you're going to keep us weather ready, Betsy. Thank you. We'll talk to you very shortly.